Hello families, today I will teach you how to access and navigate the distance learning packets on the COJUSD website. First step, visit the COJUSD website at www.cojusd.org. Going to click on the home website. You're going to dismiss this alert. And then scroll down to the right-hand side where it says Learn more about distance learning packets. Within this tab, you're going to select the grade level span you wish to see. Then you're going to select the grade level you wish to see, 3rd grade. You will pick the week of instruction for which you are looking, and then you'll click on the distance learning template. This is the template for the week. This is 3rd grade, April 20th through the 24th, week 2 of phase 2. You'll see across the top are the days of instruction, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And down the left in the green are your subjects. So we have English Language Arts, Writing, keep scrolling, Math, and finally Social Studies, Science, and ELD. So if I am a student, I am expected to complete Mondays all in one day. I will do my Monday ELA and go down the column. Now, if I click here, this is going to show me what standard I am working on. And then I look here, this is my learning objective for the day. I can retell the main idea and key details of a text that will help me understand what I've read. Now, if I click here, it's going to take me to a link that shows me a video on how to accomplish my learning objective. So you click, and then your student can watch a video that's going to show them how to find a main idea in a text.
Hey guys, check out this postcard I got from Mina. Hey PJ, I can't wait to meet you. It's going to be a fun 3 months.
After that, you're going to click here and it's going to provide you input and the practice that you're going to do. So if you don't have access to the internet, we're going to have written directions on how to extract a main idea in detail. Finding main idea in details. Lastly, for ELA, you have an assignment to demonstrate your ability to perform the learning objective. You'll click here, and it will show you which page you are to complete. Main idea and detail. For those of you without internet access at home, you can print the hard copy by clicking here. And then scroll through a copy of all of the PDFs you are going to be using for that week. I hope this was helpful.